But remember, while that is happening here back in Delhi, we have new ministers who are taking charge. Now a big name, Kiren Rijiju, the new law minister, is also taking charge with his ministry. These are the live visuals on your screen. And of course, a huge promotion in many ways for Kiren Rijiju himself. From Arunachal Pradesh, has managed to make a mark with the Modi government. But now as the law minister, it is going to be a big test for Kiren Rijiju as well.
It was a 4 degree. So I thought very few people know.
Wing for the cameras. And remember, this is big because he's now got a cabinet rank. He had been serving earlier as the Minister of State. It was an independent charge earlier for Youth Affairs and Minister of State for Minority Affairs and Ayush portfolios. But this time, till now, he was being seen as a sports minister, would often encourage a lot of sports persons, help them out. Let's hear him out now as the law minister.
कुछ बोलना है
सर, हाउ डू सी दिस न्यू रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी?
ये है ना, एक साथ रखो, एक साथ करो।
Also remember, Kiren Rijiju has been a Lok Sabha member of Parliament, is from the northeastern state of Arunachal Pradesh.
आप जितना मीडिया के फ्रेंड्स हैं, इस नए मंत्रालय में मेरे तरफ से स्वागत करना चाहता हूं। हमारे जो सीनियर ऑफिशियल्स हैं, सेक्रेटरीज, एडिशनल सेक्रेटरीज and other senior officials, they are all here. I am entering this room for the first time, and it is definitely a huge challenge for me and a responsibility to discharge my function as the Minister for Law and Justice of this country. Although I have a law degree, I have done my LLB from Campus Law Center, but I don't have much experience about the legal matter because I was never there in the profession. But everything can be handled with proper guidance, proper understanding of the subject, and application of right mind. Prime Minister's vision of making an Atmanirbhar Bharat also requires a robust legal system in our country. So I will be briefed by the officers, and as and when I'm guided by my seniors, the officials of this ministry, we will always try to be transparent, and we will always try to be approachable for the media so that you will know what this ministry is doing and how we are performing. So today, I don't think I require to make any additional comment more than what I just have said. Thank you very much.
हिंदी में जानना चाहेंगे सर, हिंदी में एक बात की क्या चुनौतियां आप देखते हैं इस मंत्रालय में?
देखिए, हर मंत्रालय और हर पद का अपना एक गरिमा होता है, अपना एक उसका अस्तित्व होता है। इस देश का हर कानून मंत्री का मुझे जिम्मेदारी मिलता है, तो उसका अपना एक उसका मेरे सामने में एक चुनौती है कि आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो भरोसा जताया उस पर खरा उतरना